News coming in from Jammu and Kashmir this morning. There's been an encounter in Pulwama in South Kashmir. We are told this is the armed forces at the Frasipura and Moran area in Pulwama. The area has been cordoned off for now, and the joint team of the Jammu and Kashmir police and the security forces during the night specifically received a specific input about presence of terrorists in the area. And currently that encounter is on after a confirmed intelligence has been received. The visuals on your screen are deferred, not live. We are trying to ascertain further details that are coming in. Ashraf Wani joining me for the latest on that. Ashraf, South Kashmir had comparatively become better in the past few days. What are you hearing in this case, and is the encounter still on?
Yes, Pooja, this encounter is still going on. There was a local militant from the same area of Pulwama district in Moran, Frasipura, who was absconding from his home for last 8 months, and the security forces were tracking his movement during last 8 months because there is now very low presence of terrorists across the Kashmir Valley. Some individuals are in the terror group, including this militant who has been trapped in this encounter as per the sources from the police in nearby village which is known as Frasipura. So not far from the Pulwama, this encounter is currently going on, and the sources have said that probably this terrorist came for the Eid celebration to home, and security forces were tracking his movement, and he was now trapped in a village near his home in the Pulwama district. Security forces are trying to pursue this terrorist for surrender. If he will not surrender, then probably he may be neutralized in this ongoing encounter. The security forces have blocked all the entries and exit points of the area so that there could not be any kind of civilian loss in this ongoing encounter.
Right. Ashraf Wani will be tracking the latest coming in from Pulwama, where in Frasipura we are told there's an encounter currently on. Just a reminder in many ways, even though the situation is turning to normalcy in different areas, but in parts there is still tension that still prevails, and there's the reason that the presence of terrorists still facing, even though there's been an increased crackdown on terror activities and ecosystems.